In order to add event to calendar on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we need to go to the calendar app. So once you open the calendar app, we should be able to use this plus button here in the bottom right corner, and then we can go to event. We can choose event. And here we can set up the title for the event. You can make the event last all day. You can also, of course, choose when it starts and when it ends if it doesn't last the whole day. I mean, you can choose the time, but of course, you can also pick the date as well. There we go. You can adjust the time zone, so you can choose whichever time zone you want to use on your phone. We can make sure that the event is repeatable or not. We can include people. We can add video conferencing. We have the location, so we can add information about the location. We can manage notifications, so you can decide when you want to be informed about the upcoming event. We can apply a color, add description, and attach files from Google Drive. Once you set everything up, you should be able to press on a Save button here in the upper right corner. And there we go, we have our event created. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.